Students, today I discuss very important questions of 2023 Civil Service Mains Examinations GS Economy. How does e-technology help farmers in production and marketing of agriculture produce? Explain it. These questions were asking 150 word limit. Means word limit is clear, that is 150, and you have to give in the response 150. Point is clear. First, what you have to do? First, you create the structure of this question. Structure will carry the three parts, namely introduction, expansion, and conclusion. First is introduction, second is explanation, and third one is conclusion. As you have studied, they are asking only explain it. You have to explain the role of IT in production and marketing of agriculture. Area is very clear, means in explanation you will explain the two area, that is production and marketing. Now first issue arise introduction. What is the key point? Explanation of role of IT in production and marketing. What you will say? 21st century have the three major revolution. One is the IT revolution, which is positively affect the agriculture sector in multiple way. If we consider only to production and marketing, then you can create a good quality introduction by keeping in view only three word: IT, production and marketing. 21st century revolution of IT. Other part of this explanation is very simple: role in production of IT, and only you have to explain the different things which were developed, different apps, sensors, artificial intelligence, different kind of agriculture markets like ENAM, etc. under the production, how they are helping in production and marketing separately. If you take one by one, suppose we are going to discuss this, the role of IT in the area of production. Prior to production, what we are needed, that is land leveling, fertility of soil, moisture of soil, etc. In case of production, as you will see, before the seeding, what you are needed? To know the number first, quality of soil, fertility of soil, leveling of soil, moisture condition, etc. And as you know, presently all these things are completely done by the use of sensors. Our artificial intelligence also find out the quality of soil, fertility of the soil, leveling of the soil, level of moisture of the soil, and if we are aware about all these factors, then we can find out the exact time of seeding. And further, what is the role of this at second stage? First you understand by the use of artificial intelligence and sensor, the all these factor. At second stage you are going to seeding the seeds in agriculture. That kinds of seeding also done by the use of IT, that is computer. Prior the traditional seeding is there, more seeding is there in comparison to required seeding, and seeds are not equally distributed on the land, and because of it the productivity of soil automatically decrease. Automatically decrease. Similarly, when you are going to fertilize your land, that also done by the help of sensors. As you know, drone system is also helpful, which is introduced by the government of India in recent budget 2023-24. These drones are available for the production purposes in rural area, means seeding. When you are seeding, fertilizations, irrigations, all these things are completely done by the artificial intelligence and sensors. This is the use of IT in the area of production. Further, they can be supervised by the use of drone, and if they are needed some kind of additional fertilizers, medicines or pesticides, that can also avail with the help of our IT means. In this way, what it will do, how it will, you have to explain how does technology help. Now you are clear how the technology help the farmer, but further you have to explain how this technology better of the farmer by the use of IT. Number first, it will reduce the cost of production. Cost of production will reduced. Number second, what is the that? It will maintain the soil fertility. Soil fertility. It will maintain the soil fertility. As you know, since 1966-67, just after the green revolution, what happened? Our farmer began to produce more and more crop by the use of more fertilizer, water, seeds, etc. But in actually what they are doing, they are wasting the land. They are creating the pollution in soil, water, air, everywhere. That kinds of problem will automatically sort out by the use of IT sensors, and in this way the soil fertility will remain maintained. What is the third point? After maintaining the soil fertility, cost reduction, it will increase the productivity. It will increase the productivity, and as it is increasing the productivity in our land, what will be the fourth effect? Use of water, use of fertilizer, use of seeds is rational. Is rational means the cost of subsidy also decrease. As you know, students, the more subsidy given to the farm sector is responsible for different kinds of distortion, as this has been empirically studied by A. Vaidyanathan. A. Vaidyanathan in his study identified because of more subsidy provided by the government, that is distorting all over the economic productivity, agriculture productivity, supply of the food article comparatively less than demand, and cost of the food article is higher. One side productivity is decreasing, supply is decreasing, and that were responsible for high inflation. As you can see recently, because till now our farmer are not using this technology in its adequate sense, in its adequate quantity, in its adequate quality. What is the result of that one? Ultimate result of that one is what? Again we are facing the high cost, defertility, environmental hazards, more subsidy burden on the government. And as you know, if the subsidy burden of the government is increasing, it will reduce the agriculture investment by the public sector. Decreasing public sector investment in agriculture is also responsible for underdevelopment of agriculture. One side our big farmer are using overdose of these kinds of fertilizer. Other side marginal small, very small farmer are not capable to invest in agriculture. Ultimate result is what? Different. As you can see, recent November month, our retail inflation is very high, 5.5%. Why it is so? Because of food article price, vegetables price are increasing more sharply because of lack of supply. But that kinds of problem automatically sort out by the use of IT. It should be spread. As I discussed, what is the use of IT, what is the benefit to the farmer of IT in case of production, but what are the limitations of that one, you also discuss that para under this production para. It means under production para you will discuss 3 points. Number first, what is the utility of IT? Number second, benefits of IT. Number third, limitations of IT in the agriculture, productivity and production. Our farmer have no complete knowledge about the use of e-technology. A number of farmers are illiterate or less literate. They doesn't aware about the use of IT. That is the major problem. Second, deficiency of infrastructure is also the problem. In all over rural India, we are not capable to spread all kinds of these technology. That is also the major problem. And what is the third problem? Lack of funds for the investment purposes. Means our farmer doesn't have adequate fund for the investment in the IT techniques, IT tools, etc. These are the limitations in production. Second area, marketing. As you know, Government of India since last 2 and 3 years focusing on more and more use of IT in agriculture. As you know, in previous year government introduced ENAM, that is Electronic National Agriculture Marketing. I will discuss 2 and 3 very important area. There are so many areas which were introduced by the government. ENAM. As you know, this technology going to increase the size of market. Ultimately, why our farmers are underprivileged, more poor? Because they have the small size of market. Generally, they sell out their produce to local money lender come trader, where they are getting less price of their crop. There is no gradations of their product. That kinds of problem were prevailing. But since government introduced the ENAM in southern region, route Kerala and Tamil Nadu, other part of India, some literate farmer, highly elite farmers are beginning to show their product on electronic national agriculture marketing. Ultimate result is what? They are getting best price of their produce in ENAM market. That is the best result providing to the farmer. Second, what is the government do? Blockchain technology. This blockchain technology also helpful in marketing to the farmer. That were also introduced, and since last budget government introduced a drone system. This drone also helping the farmer for the supervision of the crop, fertilization, etc. That will also promote their marketing. Means more productivity, more production, ENAM, and similarly sensors. That is market agri. Recent in 2000, government introduced the agri market. Agri marketing. This facility introduced by the government of India since 2000 July. Since 2000 July, what it will do? It will facilitate the different regulated market to link with electronic mean or electronic marketing. Presently 400 crops are enlisted under Agrimark, and round about all APMC regulated mandi are covered by Agmark. That is the benefit of this technology. Means the use of e-technology, best performance, and what is our target regarding farmer? Doubling income. How we can increase their income? Through the expansion of market. And our e-technology, different apps are available, different states, different crop based apps are available, and all the maximum farmer are opting that kinds of technology. They are getting the different kinds of information regarding marketing, best price of their crop, quality of their crop, etc. Other kind of assistance, if they are needed, they can get that kinds of information from toll free agri number. That is also helping the farmer for their marketing purposes. And prior the marketing, they also ask the different possibilities of crop. In this way, this IT means information technology protecting the farmer in multiple way in case of production and marketing. And in this way, they are maximizing their profit. But again, what is the limitation in case of marketing in agriculture? Use of IT. The same problem as we discussed in production areas. It means in the answer writing, what you have to do? You have to elaborate first introduction, then expansion. In expansion, first you will explain the, which I discuss all point in production, marketing, and third point you will discuss the limitations of the use of IT in India, and fourth point you will discuss we can enhance in conclusion. When you are concluding your answer, in conclusion, what you will say? That our government is completely dedicated for the expansion, promotion, or increase the literacy about the IT among the agriculture sector, among the farmers or agriculture sector. As recently government, our different countries, 23 countries are participating in IT meetings, and they are trying to discuss all the issues related to IT. Means government is going to promote the expansion of IT with the help of other countries, triple P, etc. And what will be the result? Finally, we will achieve the target of doubling income of the farmer, improvement in the agriculture productivity with sustainable agriculture. In this way, you can summarize this answer. This is the best way, and for the purpose you should go our YouTube channel, that is Tejveer Singh, and you can get all these kinds of information. I will further proceed the 2022 questions prior to introduce. I will complete rest of the 2 questions of 2023. Thank you.